What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Joven, Tonic fam, Crow fam. I am back with some more bullish content for you guys in this video. Tonic down a tad bit. We are having a bit of a correction. That is okay. The broader markets are having a correction. It is the weekend. Normally we have retraces on the weekend, and then from tomorrow on Monday when the stock market opens, we could see a turnaround. We could see bullish momentum, especially after we got that 25 BPS hike from the Fed, guys. It is bullish overall, and you know, the broader markets are just having a bit of a retrace, but I'm sure we'll continue up further. We're gonna dive deep into Tonic in this video as always, and we're gonna go into DeFi, decentralized finance. We're gonna go into it because there was some recent news with Uniswap, and you know, there's top companies that have control over Uniswap when it's supposed to be a DeFi protocol. And this is why I say a lot of projects in the space, you never know what could happen, guys. You really never know what could happen. But when it comes to the Kronos ecosystem and the Kronos chain and what they're building and developing, it's one of the chains or ecosystems that will onboard the most people. And I really do believe the majority of investors in the space will look to crypto.com, Crow, Tonic, VVS as their DeFi hub, you know, as you know, more things happen in the space, as these bad actors make themselves more known. We'll see, you know, the true legitimate projects stand the test of time in comparison, guys. If this is something that you're interested in, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. We're at 2,000 subscribers. Let's get to 3,000. Also support my Tonic playlist and my Tonic shorts. And you know, keep supporting the content, guys. Really appreciate all the support. Tonic is down 4% on the 24-hour. 30,600 people on the watch list, guys. $23.8 million in market cap. 400K in 24-hour trade volume, up 168%. So you know, we're getting more and more volume in Tonic. We recently had the update on the tokenomics and what they're gonna be doing for as far as emissions, and when there's the release schedule for Tonic is gonna be, you know, how it's gonna be handled. So we're gonna have a slower release of tokens into circulation as the years go by, which is gonna be great going into the next bull cycle, guys. Tonic and its great utility is something you cannot avoid. You cannot you know, turn a blind eye to this project, guys. This project is super bullish, and you know, right now the broader markets are having a bit of a retrace. Tonic on the 1 month, we're coming back down. We were making a move up, now we're making a move back down. That is fine, guys. Pretty much following what the top market mover Bitcoin is doing. Bitcoin is having that retrace. The bears are coming out of hibernation once again. They're like, oh, this is where we go back down to 13k 10k for Bitcoin. This is when all the altcoins decide to fall once again. But I just think it's just a minor correction, and you know, we are gonna turn around and continue up further from here in the future, guys. It is also the weekend. Markets love to the crypto markets love to correct on the weekend because the stock market is not open anymore, and you can't just have rallies all the time. You can't just have, you know, positive price action all the time. There's always gonna be retraces, corrections along the way, and you know, we're just waiting for any news or any type of catalyst for Tonic or the Crow ecosystem that could help the Crow ecosystem all around. Anything like that happens along the way when the market turns around, gets more bullish, it's gonna be great for Tonic, guys. The Fed did raise interest rates by 25 BPS. That is super bullish. So overall, the markets are bullish, and right now we're just seeing a minor correction, guys. Tonic from Crypto Hoarder, Tonic volume is coming in. Tonic been adding the whole way down. It's a sale. You know, there's always gonna be bearish comments along the way. Mr. Sheep, small correction. Completely agree with that. We also have a nice read right here from Castellano in the CoinMarketCap community tab for Tonic. Don't worry about the markets and what's going and what's not going. These are just small pumps in the market. I believe the real bull market will be next year. This may rally But as long as you're loading up this year and preparing yourself like a chessboard for the real gains, it's all going to be made next year. Tonic has lots of stuff in the works, and it's gonna get bullish. The market cap is primed for loading up. Don't worry about other tokens. Many that people talk about are much higher in the market cap. Tonic is still a prime time rookie card. Completely agree with a lot of what he's saying right here. It is really just starting to build up on foundation. Buy this as a side low ball player. Don't look at this like it's Elon or Luna or some other blown out market cap token. Be smart and make this your prime rookie investment. This is just my opinion, and do what's best in your investments for yourself. I'm looking at the long run, and the real bull run, when all markets are fire and crypto is melting hot. It's definitely on its way to be melting hot. So Castellano, really agree with what he's saying here, guys. It could be the start of the bull, but like, remember, it won't be a you know, an instant, you know, candle to like 100x gains. It won't be like that. It will be a slow and steady growth, guys. We're gonna make higher lows accordingly and just continue going up and to the right. Tonic is one of the prime candidates, like he said, Castellano said, a rookie candidate that has a lot of potential and a lot of upside because it's at a much smaller market cap. It also has great utility as well. It is a great altcoin that follows the broader markets. It is fundamentally sound, has a very strong chart. It's following Bitcoin, you know, the top leading market mover, and when it follows Bitcoin, Ethereum, other altcoins, and just the rest of the market in general, then we'll see, you know, huge moves whenever they do start to happen. But now is the time you do DCA in, guys. Now is the time is when you dollar cost average, you take your buy orders in accordingly, and you keep building towards when the full bull run takes place. But it could, like I said, it could be we're in a place right now, we're in a spot right now where it's, you know, it's the start, but it's not gonna happen like instantly, right? That's just not how markets work. It's gonna take months, year, 2 years, but it's just gonna be up and to the right over that time period, right? So, you know, like for example, when most people are buying Tonic at 10 million, now there's an entry point for people to get Tonic at around the market cap it's at right now, 23 million, right? Just under 24 million. Now's the time to get Tonic for those people that missed that 10 mil entry. I'm not sure if we're gonna go back to that 10 mil entry. You know, the bears could be right. Then we drop all the way back down to 12k, 10k, 13k Bitcoin, and then that takes a huge tank on the markets as at large. But they could also be wrong, and we just continue up further when then we make corrections along the way, retraces along the way, right? You move up, have nice moves to the upside, minor corrections, move up again, minor correction, and then we just see that over the next year or two, right? Until we have, you know, until you take a look at Tonic's market cap, it's sitting at 500 million to $1 billion in market cap. This is how it's gonna unfold in the market. It's not gonna just be one instant, you know, candle body wick to the upside, and then we see, you know, 200k Bitcoin and a $2 billion market cap Tonic. It's not gonna happen in one day. It's gonna take time, and you know, you just have to DCA along the way. Or if you already have your bag packed, you already invested what you could afford, you just hold and just be patient. That's it. From Emmy.Crow, it's Friday, right? You are about to stake the following amounts: $100 staked, locked up, 51.19% APR, getting that nice passive income. Tonic has been locked, guys. Nice passive income, nice DeFi utility from Tonic. Tonic day 4 of Hundo. Tonic locked in a 4-year vault. Not much, but nonetheless, if an investor puts 10 to 20x that amount daily, LFG. Nice passive income rewards. Everyone is flexing their stake, just like in the Discord. And yeah, just most people are just adding to their bags, getting their coins locked up, earning that passive income. And you know, It's great DeFi utility from Tonic, guys. Q-Tip just bought 100 million Tonic. You know, people are getting into the project, guys. The project is growing every day. It's great to see. From Don Dillis, Tonic went up to rank 611 from 3685 in the last 10 months. Just to show you the growth. So 10 months from 3,685 in rank to number 611 in 10 months. Growth in crypto is not this instant thing, guys. It's not like, you know, 1 month, 2 months, 2 months later you see 1,000x gain, unless it's you know, super degen project, right? You're not gonna see those instant type of gains. Everything takes time. This is why it's called crypto investing. Everything takes time for you to see growth in the projects, right? You give the projects time to grow. You invest what you can, you know. You never over invest to put yourself at risk. Invest what you can, then you just wait until, you know, we see great market conditions, and then you decide to take profits, you know, on your investment. And you know, it took 10 months to go from 3,685 in the Tonic rank to 611. That is great stuff. Imagine what could happen in the next 10 months or the next 10 months, guys. It's just patience. From Binance, CZ Binance, Uniswap controlled by A16Z. A16Z just used full voting weight to squash a uni proposal to launch Uniswap protocol on BNB chain using Wormhole Crypto Bridge. From Chris Black, A16Z is a large investor in Wormhole community. Open your eyes. Anti-competition cartels in DeFi are real. So A16Z, FTX, and Sequoia led $135 million round for Layer 0 at $1 billion valuation. The blockchain interoperability protocol first emerged from stealth last September. So what we're reading right here, guys, is that Uniswap tried to open on BNB chain. They tried to set up a bridge through Wormhole to be on BNB chain, and A16Z, one of the large investors in Uniswap, turned down that proposal. And this is why I say, guys, the Tonic and the Crow ecosystem is way more DeFi, decentralization, right? When you have top investors or top the top holders of projects, we've known it for a while. When you have the top voters of projects, on-chain voting just means the large whales control the blockchain then, just like shareholders. We were just discussing this at the conference yesterday. The Cronos ecosystem, to me, is true DeFi projects, guys. True decentralization, true control of your own finances. We are the bank. I see people in my comment section saying that, and you know, it's absolutely insane to see A16Z that's tied into, you know, FTX, right? They are making the decision to not have Uniswap doing that BNB chain bridge. But as far as what we've seen from the crypto.com and the Cronos brand as a whole, this is a legitimate company. You never truly know what could happen, but overall, we see nothing but, you know, bullishness and legitimacy and, you know, transparency from this company and brand, guys. So Cronos ecosystem is still in its baby phase form, and the top DeFi project on the Cronos ecosystem, which is Tonic, is still in its baby phase as well, and it's only a matter of time until, you know, the train truly leaves the station, guys. So just be patient, right? Tonic fam, Crow fam, thank you guys so much for watching and tuning in. Really appreciate all the support that you guys give me on these videos. If you enjoyed it, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. This is your first time hearing about the project, let me get your thoughts in the comment section. Everything Tonic and myself will be in the description, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.